Hello, Northeast Wisconsin. Anybody out there looking to purchase their first home within the next 1 to 5 years? Well, let's talk real quick. A couple things that you should keep in mind as you do this. First, these are not rash decisions. Buying a home is a huge milestone. It's not just a big financial commitment. You're deciding where you want to set up your life. So this is not a decision that should be made in 30 to 60 days. Most buyers, it's going to take a year and a half, possibly longer, to plan and execute this so that it works for you in the best way and most comfortable way possible. Not going to lie, buying a home, it's a stressful process. It's simple, but it's not easy. But if you follow these steps, it'll be easier and more pain-free. So first thing, talk to an agent like myself, and we can go through the process from A to B to C, how it starts from first looking at homes to going to see them to eventually writing an offer. But before you start looking at homes, the first thing you want to do is get in touch with a lender. Figure out where you're at. Where's your credit score? If you need to get your credit score up, that's a process that can take at least 6 months. If you don't have established credit, that's going to take a little bit of time as well. This is why this is not a process that should be done in a month or two. So after you talk to a lender, figure out where you're at, where your budget is, how does the down payment compare to what you have saved up, how does the monthly payment, inclusive of taxes, insurance, and all the other details compare to your monthly income. Then let's figure out what your budget is. Then let's start targeting the neighborhoods and seeing, okay, what is that right house for you? But understand, this is not an overnight process. It's not a month or two process. We have to plan it and execute it in a patient and measured manner.